This is ninth standard Science and Technology, lesson number 1, Laws of Motions. In this lesson, we will learn their motion, distance and displacement, accelerations, and Newton's law of motion and related equation. Here you observe here motions of an object. Here give there few examples of motions and you have to identify there what is the motions. In this example, you observe there which example is shown here in a motions of object. Then we know that the motion of the several objects are everyday. Sometimes we cannot see the motions of an object directly, but they are moving. That means if the positions of an object is changing with respect to its surrounding, then it is said to be the motions. Otherwise, it is said to the rest of place. Then you study here, you observe here two pictures. This one picture you have to show there one house here. Here you show their irregular shape of path. And here you show their house, school, and here another school house. Then there is a show here Sital and Prashant house. They move to your Sangeeta's house. Then they together move to your school. If they do not come together, if the Sangeeta or Prashant come direct to your school, then it is a move for 1300 meter long. And if they are moved together, then Sitals come to Prashant homes and Prashant and Sital come to your Sangeeta's home, that is the 500 meter long. Then again they move to school, that is a 1200 meter long. Then you have to identify their distance and displacement of that place. Here you show the another diagram here, that is a calculate the speed of car. This car is coming to this is suppose this is a starting point and this is the end point. That means it is the initial point and this is the final point. This car is moved for this place, that is called your distance, and the car move from one place to their next place, that is called your displacement. That means speed equal to distance divided by time. Then displacement and distance. Distance is the length of actual path traveled by the object in a motion while going from the one point to another point. Whereas a displacement is the minimum distance between the starting point and their final point. That means even if the displacement of an object is 0, the actual distance traveled by it may be not a 0 because it's a moving for some small parts. See here, speed and velocity, the relations between speed and velocity. The speed equal to total distance traveled by time required. That means the distance traveled in a particular distance by an object in a unit time is called their velocity. Here, the unit time can be 1 second, 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 year also. That is a unit time. The displacement that occurs in a unit time is called the velocity. So the velocity equal to displacement divided by time. Then this the number of the unit of speed and velocity are the same. In the SI unit, the unit is meter per second, while in a CGS unit is centimeter per meter square. Then speed is related to the distance while the velocity is related to the displacement. If the motion is along a straight line, the value of the speed and velocity are the same. Otherwise, they can be different. Then velocity is the displacement that occurs in a unit time. Then We observe their first example, that is that two students are come together and they go to your third student and they come together and go to school. That is the distance that is collected to their distance and time for their particular ways. Then here you show the two diagrams here and the effect of the speed and direction of a velocity. Here you show there two cars and here show there four cars. These are the showing their different ways. That means the speed and directions of velocity are depends upon each other. That means it is a clear form that the above velocity depends upon the speed as well as the directions, and that velocity change by changing the speed while keeping the direction is same. Changing the speed, keeping the direction is same, and changing the direction, keeping the speed is the same. Change the speed as well as the direction is the giving the effect of speed and direction of a velocity. Then the first scientist is measure the speed as a distance per time was Galileo. The speed of the sound in a dry air is 343.2 meter per second, while the speed of the light is about 3 into 10 raised to 8 time meter per second. The speed is revolutions of the earth around the sun is about 29,770 meter per second. And here we observe another example, that is velocity versus speed. The velocity is the vector quantity that significant the magnitudes of the rate of change of positions and also the direction of an object moving. Here that our example that a car is moving for 25 meter per second for the noun pace. And the speed is the scalar quantity that significant only the magnitude of the rate of changes of an object's movement. For example, car is moving for 25 meter per second, but it is not giving their place. That means it is not showing the not place. That means it's showing their different speed. Now we learn here uniform and non-uniform linear motions. There are different types of motion. Then you have to give their particular motion's name and that motion. If an object cover equal distance in equal travel, it is called the uniform speed of motions. That is the, for example, motion of a vehicles. That is the moving vehicles for their straight line. Then line of ants, that's coming to in an equal place, equal distance. If an object cover unequal distance in equal time travel, it is said to be a moving with a non-uniform speed. For example, motion of vehicle begin heavy through tropics. That means it shows that one car is moved for some time, again it's stop, again it start. That is the unequal moving, unequal travels. So it is called as ununiform linear motion. Here you show there one car is moving as a uniform motion. That is the single part to move here. Then you say there acceleration. Accelerations have two types, that if the velocity is changed by the equal amount in equal time interval, the object is said to be the uniform accelerations, and the velocity changed by the unequal amount in equal time traveled by the object, it is said to be non-uniform accelerations. This is the accelerations example. So there it is a uniform acceleration. Then you show there positive, negative and zero acceleration. An object can have positive or negative accelerations. When the velocity of an object increase, the acceleration is positive. In case the acceleration is in the direction of velocity, when the velocity of an object decreases with the time if the acceleration is a negative, and negative acceleration is also called as declarations. If the direction is opposite to the direction of velocity, if the velocity of an object does not change with the time, it has a zero acceleration. Here is show there one diagram. Here that is the one curve line, and this curve line moving that one vehicle that is a slow movement. That the first time it is in a top, that is a slow. When it is a moving down, these are moving down, that is a fast. Then these are your stop or move slow, that is your positive acceleration. When it is come to down, that is the negative, and speed is fast, that is the negative acceleration. Again it is a stop here, that is you have to say the zero acceleration. That means these are move for their up and down position. That up, that is a stay position, that is the positive acceleration.